Hi, my name's Melissa Phillips. I've just finished Activate 2021 with Nick Dunning, and I thought, why not share some thoughts on what I learned, what worked for me, and how I found this course so empowering, career-changing, life-changing, and all of that good stuff. So stick around, and hopefully this course will be something that you too will want to be a part of.
Nick has created Activate with such care and detail. The live Zooms, downloadable audio and written assignments helped me to go deeper and shine a light on areas that needed work, chiefly my beliefs about myself and the industry I've chosen to be a part of. I learned how to take ownership and accountability for my choices, and the work I did on my values and mindset became the foundation for my growth and success. The NLP approach really worked for me. I found that listening to Nick's recordings throughout the day helped me to slow down my thoughts and just be, which was really powerful. And here I am flying back into London after booking my first overseas job. It is done. And here are the gang. These people became friends and allies. They showed up with love, and I'll continue to learn from them. Thank you, Nick, for bringing us all together. My word is my wand.
And that's a wrap on Activate 2021. So I thoroughly recommend it. It's great. It's been amazing for me. And just do it. Just do it. It's so fun. It's so good. I hope you enjoy it. Take care.